My son wears this for his safety. Autistic, be kind. Because unfortunately, so many people in the world aren't kind. Many people are. People don't understand when he just lays on the ground like that. People don't understand why he doesn't want to play at the park and honestly would rather pick out a leaf or elope or do anything else or self-injure or pick up bottle caps and put them in his mouth or pick up anything he sees on the ground and put them in his mouth and then look at me and say, what's wrong? One man even asked me, I don't get it. Is he deaf or is he dumb? When we were at the pool. So my son wears this vest so people can understand he is autistic and you need to be kind to him. Okay, because he understands everything that you are saying to him. He understands everything that is said about him. He just has a hard time getting his words out of his mouth. Look at animals. Animals come right to him. They come right to him. He was calling them a cat on his AAC, and this is one of the few times he will use an AAC. He doesn't like to use his AAC because I don't know if he thinks it takes his voice away, so most of the time he pushes it away. My son does things that people don't understand, so he wears an autistic be kind vest so you guys in the world can be kind to him. So when you see my son outside and other autistic people outside, seek to understand. They do things you don't understand, so be kind.